Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to walk you through the steps on how to change your email on Discord using your PC, especially with the latest updates. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your Discord app. Once you're logged in, you'll want to take a look at the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll find a section that displays your username. Click on the gear icon next to your name. This will take you to the settings. Now, on the left side of the screen, you should see a menu labeled User Settings. Make sure that My Account is selected. If it's not already highlighted, go ahead and click on it. Next up, in the middle of the My Account screen, look for the Email section. You'll notice an Edit button to the right of the Email option. Go ahead and click that button to start the process of changing your email. A prompt will appear prompting you to send a verification code. Click on the Send Verification Code button. Make sure to check your email for that code. You'll need it in just a moment. Once you have the code, return to the Discord prompt and enter the verification code you received. Now it's time to enter your new email address. Make sure you type it correctly. Then, you'll also need to input your password for security purposes. Finally, click the Done button to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email on Discord. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.